Enrique Salinas, owner of Salinas Motorsports.
What's up, man? Who am I here with tonight?
I'm Enrique Salinas, Jr.
All right, man. So what car are you driving?
I'm driving this Malibu.
All right. So what class did you race in yesterday?
Hard tire class.
All right. So how you feel about winning?
Pretty good. My first actual win.
All right. How you feel about that second pass, grabbing the scramble?
That thing was moving up top.
Yeah, for sure, man. Yo, man. So we just want to say congratulations, man, and congrats on winning.
Appreciate it.
All right, man, anytime. So we're going to hit up Salinas anytime we need something on hard tire or smalls.
Yep.
What's up, man? Who am I here with tonight?
So I'm Enrique Salinas, owner of Salinas Motorsports.
All right, so what car are we standing behind?
Right here is Joey's car on the road. He's got the Malibu with the hard tire on it tonight that my son's driving, Enrique.
All right, so how you feeling about the winning yesterday?
Man, that was one of my proudest moments, 100%.
Yeah, man, no doubt, man. I seen him drive and I was so amazed by, his talent.
He looked natural at it. Like, first time ever driving a car was round one. He looked natural.
Yes, sir. Hey, so I heard he's going to be in a certain green car maybe later.
Very soon, within the next couple months probably.
Okay, do you got a number or somewhere you want to hit people up?
So we got Facebook, Salinas Motorsports, Instagram, Salinas Motorsports. You can text me at my number, 313-433-5392. We're doing dyno tuning, DOD delete, cam swap, heads, supercharger, turbo builds. We can build a race car for you. We can do anything.
All right, man. So we know who to hit up, man, if we want to be in the winner's circle. That's 2 nights in a row.
Yeah, we got Trevor one small tire tonight. Got a nice pot, man. His car's coming around, looking great. We're super happy.
Yeah, and he took down some killers too. He ain't raced no ducks.
Man, he had some tough guys. He even raced one of our other cars, and man, there's a dogfight for sure.
Yes, sir, man. So we're gonna hit you up, man. Thanks for interviewing.
I appreciate
it. What
it.
do I got with me today?
Got Enrique Salinas Jr. And then I'm Enrique Salinas Sr.
All right, what's the name of y'all shop?
Salinas Motorsports.
All right, how long y'all been in business?
We're at, how old are you? 17. So we're at like 16 years.
Okay.
About 16 years.
So what got you started in the business?
So I was tuning my own cars, tuning cars for friends, and everybody kept asking me because we're out winning if I could tune their cars, and one thing led to another. I started tuning all kinds of people's cars, bought a dyno, and just been running with it.
Speaking of winning, y'all been doing a lot of that lately.
Doing some winning.
Yeah, man. Congratulations, man.
Appreciate it.
So I think as far as wins go, pour your own puddles around here, we've been 4 in a row in the winner's circle.
Yep.
Okay. And then that vet has been a force to reckon with, man.
Yeah.
And you got your son driving.
Yeah, he's been driving.
He drive the wheels off it too. Yeah, so how does it feel going from something like the Malibu to the vet?
Big difference. Way
Okay.
faster.
So was it a big learning curve, or you think you got a handle on it pretty quick?
It just felt natural.
Okay. As far as the vet, what's the favorite race you went to with it?
Probably this one, and then me and Joey.
Okay.
That close race.
Now, do you like it better front side or back side?
I like them both.
You like them both? Okay. Now, as far as tuning goes, is it a big jump, from at least with miling, front side to back side?
It is substantially different.
Okay.
Substantially different. We got to do a lot of chassis changes and a lot of tune changes.
Right. So doing something like this where Friday we was just on the front side and then going to the back side and being in the winner circle or in the finals both times, that's a big chunk.
That's huge. Basically, test, write stuff down, and usually it takes about 2.5 hours to turn the car over from front to back.
Okay. And y'all don't just got one, y'all got several cars that come out.
Yeah, we got about 4 cars at this weekend's event, and they all ran front side yesterday and they all ran back side today. So individually, we all have our notes, we change the cars over, and then I'll go through all the laptops, verify everything's where it should be, and then we go make our runs.
Okay, so if we want to get that Salinas treatment and get in the winner's circle, what's the phone number to call?
So the phone number is 313-433-5392. Quickest way to get a hold of me is probably text, just because I'm always working and moving, so it's hard to get on the phone. Or any kind of our social media, so Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever we're on.
Okay, so I'm gonna have them hit you up, man, and we appreciate y'all putting the city on the map.
Hey.
As usual, man.
Yep, appreciate it.
All right, man. Y'all hit up Salinas Motorsports if y'all need anything. Prep, no prep, they got you covered. big happy family, y'all.
Too much leg.